Director of the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, or DSEL, Swapnil Timbe, said the key initiative aimed at improving education in the state, including the 10 Bagless Days initiative for 2024. This would encompass activities like sports and career counseling, promoting a holistic educational experience. Aside from this, Timbe also mentioned about the CM Impact Program, a short-term mission set to deliver results by next year. Timbe also highlighted efforts in digitalization such as QR-coded textbooks and expanding ICT access to schools, though challenges remain for elementary levels.
Is that the guidebooks have been made specially because the students may face difficulty in gathering information and all. So it's a question bank, plus it's a set of concepts, and it's meant for those who really need help in particular topics. Then the other is remedial classes.
Chief Minister